Good morning, students. We have just seen the story An Astrologer's Day by R.K. Narayan. When you will go through the textbooks, you will frequently find two words, icebreakers and brainstorming, in place of exercise or questions and answers. Icebreaker is a team building exercise wherein each one contributes his idea to build up a team or an environment. On the other hand, the word brainstorming is used to contribute your understanding or ideas on a certain topic. Today we'll go through them based on the story An Astrologer's Day. Every human in this world is gifted with something. Somebody is strong, somebody is handsome, someone is beautiful, somebody can run fast, somebody can draw very good. First thing to be successful, you must know your strengths. So let me put a question to you. What is your strength? Or rather, what are you best at? Are you a very good cook? You can run very fast, you can draw very well, you are a good speaker. So what are you best at? Write it down. Now, to be successful in life, the most important thing is know your strength and your weaknesses. Sachin Tendulkar is named the best cricketer that ever walked on the face of the earth. He might have not become a very good doctor or an engineer. He knew what he was best at and he did what he liked the most. Now you will see a table on the screen which has 3 columns. First one is strengths, second one is why do you feel so, and the third, dream career. An example is given: strengths, painting and drawing. Why do you feel so? You can visualize and express yourself. And
dream career,
you can become a commercial artist or cartoonist. You have to find out 3 more examples of this sort. For example, cooking. You like to cook or your passion is cooking. You can become a chef. Singing can be one of the example. You have melodious voice or very sweet voice, so you can become a singer. You try writing at least 3 more examples of this sort. The local market of the village or the city is very attractive to people. Now you can find people of different occupation indulge in different activities. Can you recall them and enlist or write down the list? For example, vegetable vendor, a net vendor, different types of shops, sweet shop. You might have seen a cobbler. Make a list of all those people of different occupation you have seen in the market and write down that. Do you ever recall of seeing an astrologer? I'm sure you have. Each of the astrologers have a different way of telling fortune and they use different things, or here we will call them professional equipments. Some of the astrologers, they use parrot and cards. Some just use magnifying glasses to magnify the lines on your palm, like we have seen cowrie shells, palmary writings. I'll show you some of the pictures and you have to write down the list of professional equipments used by an astrologer. Now you have to read the complete lesson An Astrologer's Day. Go through the story video. You have to write down the meaning of the hard words from the lesson in your own words. I don't want the dictionary meaning or the meaning which is given at the side of the page.